Getting the dreaded and unreal process has crashed. UE Marvel error in Marvel Spider-Man 2. Or maybe you're facing crash to desktop CTD, memory errors, or other random crashes. Don't worry, I've got working solutions to get you back to web slinging in no time. But before you rush to close this video, make sure you watch till the end because the last fix has helped the most players. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. If you're using an outdated GPU driver, this game will crash. Update your drivers by heading to the official NVIDIA or AMD website. Download the latest version for your graphics card, install it, and restart your PC. Still crashing? Let's move on. Next up, let's tweak some settings, lower your ray tracing, texture quality, and shadows in-game. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, go to NVIDIA Control Panel greater than Manage 3D Settings and set Power Management Mode to maximum performance. For AMD users, enable Radiant Chill to optimize performance. Sometimes, corrupted game files are the culprit. To fix this, open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, find Marvel Spider-Man 2, and click Verify Game Files. This will scan and repair any missing or broken files. Overlays from GeForce Experience, Discord, or MSI Afterburner can cause crashes. Disable them and also close any unnecessary background apps from Task Manager to free up system resources. If your PC is running low on RAM, increasing virtual memory can help. Open System Properties greater than Advanced System Settings greater than Performance Settings, then increase the page file size for better performance. Broken directs or Visual C++ files can cause crashes. Download and reinstall the latest DirectX End User Runtime and Visual C++ redistributables from the official Microsoft site. If you're still having GPU-related crashes, try rolling back to an older GPU driver version. Sometimes the latest one is stable for all systems. You can also limit FPS to 60 in RTSS Ravituner to reduce crashes. And there you have it. If one of these fixes worked for you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which one did the trick. Subscribe for more game fix videos and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!